We have the ability to heal, so you are quite resilient. Today, I'm going to show you the ways in which your body is truly powerful, just as much as you are. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. Today's talk is about healing. Please note that this is not medical advice. Your choices are yours alone. I am speaking only from my own personal experience. You can heal anything. That's right. Now, some of you might be thinking, what do you mean? How can I heal something? This isn't working and I have this ailment and this issue, whatever. But let me ask you, why do you seek treatment? Why do you go to the medical professionals? Because you know deep down that your body is capable of healing. And here's proof that you probably don't even think about. When you get a little tiny cut, do you panic? Do you think, oh no, this is it, I'm gonna die? Of course not. Because you know without even thinking about it that that little tiny cut will heal on its own. You trust it. You expect it. You don't even question it. And that right there is the undeniable truth that your body knows how to heal. Now, the bigger question becomes, are you helping it along? Or are you standing in the way? The other day, I had a powerful reminder of this. I saw someone that I hadn't seen in a long time, and he looked completely different. He had lost a significant amount of weight. And honestly, he looked so much healthier and more alive. So I said to him, how, wow, you just look amazing. How did you do that? What changed? And with a huge smile, he said, I want to live. I want to live. So I lost the weight and I'm taking care of myself much better now. You see? He made a decision from his mind and his body followed. He started supporting the natural healing and strengthening processes that were already built into his body. And that's the truth for all of us. Your body is designed to survive, yes, but even more than that, it's designed to thrive. It's not enough just to survive. You're here to feel good. You're here to live fully. You're here to thrive. But it all starts with you. It starts with what you think, what you believe, and how you care for yourself. Your mind and your body are working together. And when your mind believes in your healing and you act in alignment with that belief, you unlock the body's most powerful capabilities. So today, remember this. Your healing is not outside of you. It's already inside of you. All you have to do is help it along. Trust it. Support it. Believe in it. Have faith in it. Your body is more powerful than you know. And so are you. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. Blessings to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, tap that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I post new content.